YouTube family. Welcome to my channel. I'm Array. I just wanted to come and be authentic and just keep it real. I have not started my juice fast. The day I said I was going to start on Monday, I started just for that day, and then in the evening I ate. So this is what I go through, but I am determined this time with you all's encouragement and keeping me accountable. I am going to get through. Even with my even with my hiccups. I'm sorry about that. Come down. So, I am actually back on my fast today. And because I tried on Monday when I had made my video, tried again on Tuesday, but then evening will come and I'll break the fast. So I was kind of like eating like a meal a day. But I am determined to just keep on going, pushing through. I weighed myself today. As you can see, I was back right up to 418. So so far I have gained like 17 pounds back in this. Yeah, I've been off my fast for about, I want to say about a week now. Yeah, I think about a week now, and I've been off my fast. Yes. So and of course I have been eating foods that are not good for me to eat at this time, but I do take comfort in the fact that I'm not in my 420s, I'm not in my 430s. Yes, I am in my 14s, but I just have to keep on persevering. I am not going to be ashamed, and that's one of my point of coming back on here, fighting past that shame, and just coming and biting the bullet and coming in front of you guys and telling you the truth of what's going on, and setting a goal again, which is to get back on the fast, because that's my goal, to fast my way to health. And as I said before, and I will actually, for the next few days, I am going to kind of do like a story time, and I will be talking about, I made my little list, I will be talking about, the meds that I take, what my diagnosis is, the history of my weight gain from, how I was childhood all the way to now. And so for the next couple of weeks, I will be talking about that. But yeah, that's what's going on starting today. And hoping, I actually did not get any sleep last night. I did not sleep at all last night. So I will be trying to go to bed earlier today and just get some rest, because not sleeping, that's not good either when you are on a fast, because you're detoxing so much when you're on the fast, and you need to be getting your rest to give your body time to heal those parts that need to be healed. So, and I am definitely feeling pain on my joints. It's hard to move. And one of the things that I am enjoying this time, I am still so grateful that sorry about that. And there's a cold trying to fight its way through. I'm like having a little bit of a sore throat and coughing and sneezing. And it's getting really chilly here. I think the highs are like the 50s. But I was saying something and I have forgotten what I was saying. Oh, I was talking about how I'm feeling. I am having pain. I'm having more pain than usual. I had gotten so used to not being in pain, you know. The pain meds that I was taking, like I had reduced it to about like taking one pill a day for pain, one or two maximum pills a day. When I do the video on my medications, I will tell you exactly how many pain pills I take a day. Um, so I am feeling a little more pain. Some of the things there have been some recurrence of some of those symptoms that had kind of gone away. So, and that felt really good. That felt really good, you know? And this time the difference is I want to get back to that. And being on this channel has helped because this is like documentation, like an oral documentation of how I was feeling. It's an oral documentation of, my happiness when I lost the weight, when I was able to reach certain parts, when I was able to do some of my self-care without help, or with less help than I was getting, when I was able to go up and down the step, get in the car, better. I told you my foot also healed. It's still healed. So I don't want it to get worse again because I know how that feels and it sucks. So I don't want that to happen. And, I am just, because that oral history is out there of what I accomplished, I'm able to go back and look and see, oh, okay, this is how it felt like, that excitement. And so that's pushing me to get back on this journey, and I am not going to give up on myself. I tell my children all the time, you have to believe in your dreams for your life because this is your life. You have to believe in it more than I do, more than anyone does. You got to believe in it. And I believe in this, and I have seen so many people heal and feel better, and this is the path that I'm choosing to get healthy. I've already been told by my doctors that I will not get healthy. So this is just something I have to live with and all that. And, with everything that I've seen about fasting, I just don't believe that that's true. And I am determined. I have the tools to do it. And that's what I'm going to do. So the journey continues, pushing forth, and just staying the course. Just staying the course. So for right now, this is my little numbers chart. I think the longest I went, let me see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, the longest I went was, we went 21 days, and then I did a couple of, 1 day, one day, and then I did another 9-day juice feast. So in the past, today's the 3rd of November, so 68 days. It's been 68 days since I stated that I was, going to fast. So it's been a total of 68 days, and I fasted. Within that time, I fasted like 32 days. Yeah. So I fasted 32 days. Yeah. in the 68 days. So hopefully I will be able to go, a good 21 days this time around. I am claiming it, I am saying it, and I'm going to keep on saying it until I get there. So here it's already 9 days because I wanted to really try to do 133 days straight, but right now it's 9 days. I'm going to leave this for now, leave it up there until I've done a good 9 days of fast. And on the 10th day or on the 11th day after I've done 10 days, I'll go to the numbers and, put a line through the 10th day. Thank you so much for turning back in. I am sorry if there's anyone out there that I have disappointed about this, who are looking towards me for inspiration. And I will tell you to continue to just keep going. And even though you're disappointed, just know that this is a journey. I rather have these hiccups but still losing weight than have a hiccup and go away for 2 months and beat myself up and gain even more weight and get even more ill. So I rather do that. If I had given up after I first came here and said I was going to fast, and I didn't start my fast until about 10 days later, if I had given up completely, I never would have done the 21-day fast, and I never would have lost that 36 pounds. My highest weight was 442.9 pounds. And I'd rather be, like I said, 418 than, and even though I'm not 401 anymore, and I was very close to getting back into the 300s, and I am going to get back there, but I'd rather, have lost that 20 plus pounds, because I just want to see here, I'm just calculating 442.9 minus 418. Okay, so that's 24.9 pounds totally. That's what I've lost. I did get all the way down, and I had lost like 41.9 pounds. But I will take the 24.9. I'll take that. So hang in there. The journey continues, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.